Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Thursday, September 2nd, 1:55 p.m. New York time. It's the second trading day in the month of September. We'll do a recap of the past month for August of the S&P 500 compared to the stocks inside of it, which has 30 stocks inside of it. So the top right grid over here, load up the S&P 500 index. And on the left, we'll go through the 30 individual stocks in it. So the Dow Jones Industrial Average for the past month of August made an all-time new high. Since we only have 2 trading days in for the current month, we have not made an all-time high. First, looking here at Apple, last month we made an all-time high, and this month we're already trading all-time high. So this is stronger than the index. Next, we look at Amgen. AMGN. No, it's not doing good. Last month, big, huge red candle down. Yep, there's a high for the year. So it's trading worse than the Dow. American Express, worse than the Dow, because it was 3 months ago that had an all-time high. And last month made a lower high. And also took out that low of that prior month. And look at that right now, we're inside range. Not too many things right now helping. Boeing, BA, also way off the highs. There's a high for this year. There's a high for several years ago. Yep, so what happened last month, look at that, did an inside candle. Didn't take out the higher low, but the trend is down. Weaker than the Dow Jones. Caterpillar, there's a high. Wow. Huge sell-off, way off the highs. Yep, weak. That's not leadership. CRM, where last month did have an all-time high for the year, still lower than that prior year. And the current month, we're not even above. Cisco's, outstanding. There we go. Outstanding leadership. All-time high last month. Still Apple from this. CVS, Chevron, lower low, lower high last month, way below the highs. Yeah, struggling. It's trending down. Disney also, wow, there's a high for the year. And last month did close green. But again, it's not the high. It's struggling. Dow Chemical, yep, way below the high. Not good. Goldman Sachs, one of the financials, outstanding. All-time high that was last year. Huge move up. Home Depot, nope. Last month closed red, did not make an all-time high. That was back there. Honeywell, interesting, did make an all-time high last month and then closed red back inside that prior month range. IBM, wow, just terrible. Yeah, look at all these past highs, past years ago. And the high for this year was here, but the current trend is down, lower lows, lower highs. Intel as well, struggling way below its highs for this year, below the high of last year. Not good. Johnson & Johnson, outstanding. All-time new high last month. But right now, we're closer to the low range of last month. And that is considered a bearish pin bar. Last month candle, bearish pin bar. If you have Johnson & Johnson in your index or in your portfolio, I would consider closing and taking profits. There's better things to invest in today. JP Morgan is not performing as well as Goldman Sachs. Yep, there's the high. Last month did close higher than that prior month, but then to take out the all-time high. Coca-Cola. Last month, look at that yellow candle. Means the high and low did not take out the prior one, but near the high of the year, but not the high of last year. McDonald's. Yep, same thing. Prior month, inside candle. 3M. Nope, the trend is down. Lower lows, lower highs. Same with Merck. Wow, way below its highs of this year, below the highs of last year, and the highs of the prior year. Struggling, huge consolidation here. Microsoft, as expected, outstanding. Last month was all-time new high, strong like bull. But we didn't take out the high of last month yet, like we did with Apple. And Nike, last month was an all-time high, closed red back inside that range. That wasn't good. And now we already took out the low of last month. So September 2nd, we've already taken out the low of last month. You think somebody's expecting something to happen again on September 11th? I don't know. But the market's already selling off. Procter & Gamble did make a new high last month for the year, but didn't take out that prior year's high. But inside candle right now. But don't forget, September is typically one of the slowest months or bearish months of the year. Travelers. All-time high was last month. Outstanding. Huge consolidation there. UNH. Last month was all-time high now. Yep. See, the majority of them are not at highs last month. A lot of them are inside candles right now. So very few of them are making this all-time new high. Visa, not all-time high. Trending down. It's bearish. You have a huge sell-off last month. Engulfed that prior body. That red candle engulfed that green body. Engulfing on top of a trend, bearish. And it already broke below the low of last month. Yes, it's weak. Where is the money being spent if it's not being used by Visa? There's Verizon not being spent. The trend is down, bearish. Look, all these red months in Visa. Verizon. Who's your cell phone carrier? Yep, struggling. The past years with the highs. Wow. Whiskey, Bravo, Alpha. Look at that. We already took out the high of last month. That's nice. Last month was an inside candle, and we took out the high of it, but not all-time highs for the year or in the past. Look how low it's gone. Walmart. Wow. Well, last month was all-time high for the year. Didn't take out the high for last year yet. So there we go. Very few of them have taken out their all-time highs, and even less of them took out the highs of last month. And we're just looking at the 30 stocks because the index, the Dow Jones, only has 30 stocks, has the 30 largest publicly traded US companies. If we were to go to FANG, well, most of those are not on here, but we should maybe take a peek at that. Yeah, let's do that. Look at the FANG stocks. FANG Plus stocks. Again, each one's a month. Already spoke about Apple. Microsoft already spoke about. Amazon is not an all-time high. Nope. It did take out the high last month, but last month was not the all-time high. Facebook, last month was all-time high, and then this month we made a higher high already in the first 2 days. So Facebook and Apple. Was it Microsoft? Nope. Facebook and Apple are the biggest leadership right now. Google, outstanding, all-time new high. Facebook, Apple, Google, all-time new highs. Tesla, not all-time high, struggling. November, Victor, Delta, Alpha, nope, last month was all-time high, but not now. Netflix, wow, we made an all-time new high. Wow, new kid on the block, look at that. Turn around. So are people buying subscriptions now? Are they thinking subscriptions going to go higher later? Is that why they're buying them now? Even though you could be charged higher later? I don't know. There's a new blockbuster watch on Netflix. What's up with that? Bravo Alpha, Bravo Alpha. Oof, terrible. Last month was the all-time low. And this month, it's only 2 trading days again. We haven't taken out that low yet. Yeah, big failure, disappointment. Okay. Just end it looking at the monthly charts of the equity indexes. This was happening right now. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.